Okay. So state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease. Okay.
What are the three main aspects of health shown in figure 3.1? Main three aspects: physical, mental, and social. According to the ICMR report, how many people in India are currently diabetic? Uh, इसका नहीं आंसर हवा
ओबीज ओबीज कितने को है? 28% को शायद। ये 100 मिलियन।
more than 100.
यस। डायबिटीज 11.1%। नहीं पता था ना?
नहीं सर. What is identified as one of the leading causes of diabetes in the news clippings? Excessive
फास्ट फूड कंजप्शन।
Excessive screen watching in children is linked to the development of which eye condition? Dry eye syndrome. Yeah, myopia. Dry eye syndrome. Dry eye disease. What are the two mental benefits of practicing yoga mentioned in the source material? What are they reduce anxiety and improve self-regulation. What percentage of Indians are classified as obese according to the Bulletin Board data?
28.6.
Which two diseases typically see a rise in cases following the arrival of the monsoon? Sir, एक डेंगू एंड मलेरिया. डेंगू एंड मलेरिया.
डेंगू एंड मलेरिया.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
By what percentage can regular hand washing reduce the risk of infection? By what percentage? 23. नहीं, इसका नहीं आंसर. 50%. According to the WHO, which two health conditions are more prevalent in the people of Southeast Asia? According to the health conditions,
डायबिटीज एंड हार्ट अटैक ये सबसे ज़्यादा है. हाँ, तो साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में डायबिटीज एंड
हार्ट अटैक. What is the primary diet mantra provided by the reducing health risk? Eat whole and minimally processed foods.
ऑयल एंड शुगर को कम करना है ना.
सर वही तो हुआ. Minimally processed. What specific percentage reduction of oil in the diet is recommended?
Yes.
सर एक सेकंड, इसका याद है मुझे. नहीं यार 70-10. In the context of Ayurveda, what defines true health? Swasthya. Swasthya.
स्वस्थ, दिनचर्या, ऋतुचर्या एंड प्रकृति. बैलेंस बॉडी, बॉडी माइंडिंग आउट सराउंडिंग. टर्म दिनचर्या माने डेली रूटीन फॉलोड बाय मेंटेन हेल्थ एंड बैलेंस इन आयुर्वेदा. राइट.
Yes, sir.
ऋतुचर्या.
Term ऋतुचर्या. Sir, ऋतुचर्या. Ritucharya basically means the practices designed for human physiology with changing seasons.
Seasonal habits. Seasonal routines followed to maintain in Ayurveda. Prakriti.
Term Prakriti. Sir, Prakriti.
Body constitutions. Body constitutions and Ayurvedic.
Constitution. What habit is defined as a major contributor to loneliness in the news clippings?
Excessive screen time.
Excessive screen time. Excessive screen. In children, an increase in screen time leads to a rise in which three eye conditions besides dry eye, anxiety, depression, loneliness.
Obesity, sleep disorder and anxiety.
What is the primary purpose of Air Quality Index AQI? The primary purpose of the Air Quality Index is to simplify, is to give air pollution data in terms of numbers.
To help the people to know how clean polluted air is.
How does the source material define a symptom? A symptom is something that the patient can feel but cannot be measured. A symptom is something the patient can feel but cannot be measured.
Subjective feeling of being unwell, such as a pain, tiredness, and dizziness.
How does the source material define a sign of illness? A sign of illness is something that indicates the presence of a disease and something which can be measured, like the body temperature,
पेन, रैसेस हो सकता है, डिजीनेस हो सकता है, टायर्डनेस हो सकता है, राइट. फीवर एंड रैसेस.
Yes, sir. What is the general definition of a disease? The general definition of a disease is any abnormal condition or malfunction that impairs the normal structure, that impairs the normal working of the impairs the normal working of the human body.
Hmm.
Term pathogens. Uh, Pathogen is any microorganism or an agent which causes disease inside an organism such as a human or an animal.
Hmm. Yes.
What is a non-communicable disease? NCD. A non-communicable disease is something which cannot be which cannot be spread around by by physical contact.
Hmm.
Which cannot be spread.
Hmm. Communicable disease.
What is a communicable disease? A communicable disease is a disease is a type of disease which can spread through physical contact or through indirect contact, such as touching or sharing a bottle.
Hmm.
Why have non-communicable diseases become more common in India recently? Non-communicable diseases have become more common in India recently because because a lot of people in India because a lot of people in India suffer from NCDs such as diabetes, cancer, or diabetes or cancer because they are because they do not take care of their body by eating junk
Changes in
and
lifestyle.
excessive screen time.
पहले तो चेंजेस इन लाइफ टाइम है, सच एज ईटिंग प्रोसेस फूड ज़्यादा खा रहे हैं और लेस एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, राइट,
Yes, sir.
एंड लॉन्गर लाइफ स्पैन.
What currently causes most deaths in India?
हार्ट अटैक.
Diabetes,
हार्ट.
heart, uh, in non-communicable diseases. हाँ, total में पूरा. Term vector. Uh, the term vector is defined as any living organism which carries or transmit or transports an infectious pathogen uh, uh, from a human.
यस. और इंसेक्ट सच एज ए मॉस्किटो और हाउस फ्लाई दैट स्प्रेड पैथोजन फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन.
Yes, sir. What are the common symptoms of common cold and influenza? The common symptoms of common cold are runny nose, blocked nose, or cough.
Hmm.
What is the site of infection for the common cold and influenza viruses?
Hmm.
Throat,
Respiratory
respiratory.
tracts.
How can one prevent the spread of respiratory diseases like the flu through indirect contact? One can prevent the spread of respiratory diseases like the flu through indirect contact by being careful that they don't share share that they don't share bottles or
Hmm.
anything
Hmm.
that they touch
Hmm.
that can pass bacteria. What is the key preventive measure to stop the spread of chickenpox from an infected patient to isolate the patient? Which two lifestyle choices should be avoided to prevent harming both body and mind?
Mhm.
Excessive screen time and eating processed foods.
Tobacco and alcohol, man.
सर बट मेरा भी वो भी तो ठीक है जो मैंने बोला.
Which to
हाँ.
tell lifestyle choice should be avoided. Avoid करना
तो
है.
सर एक्सेसिव स्क्रीन टाइम और वो भी तो लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस ही हैं. एक्सेसिव स्क्रीन टाइम एंड नॉट ईटिंग जंक फूड भी तो लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस ही हुई.
Hmm.
How does a clean environment, as shown in the playground comparison, affect health?
Hmm.
A clean environment, as shown in the playground comparison, affects health positively as you get fresh air and clean surroundings, which reduce the risks of infection or diseases.
Okay. It exposure to pollution, fly and mosquito that causes sickness.
What role does social life play in overall health? Social life plays a very big role in overall health because social life because when our social life is disturbed, we often get attracted to excessive screen time and eating junk foods because we get anxiety and depression from it.
Hmm. What biological response does safe drinking water help to
What
reduce?
biological response does safe drinking water help to reduce? Uh, uh, huh? What biological response does safe drinking water?
Cases of waterborne disease and vector-borne disease.
Yes. Name 4 types of pathogens mentioned in the text. Uh, Viruses, parasites, bacteria, and fungi.
Parasites वह होता है.
So viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasite.
Parasites. प्रोटोजोआ ना.
Protozoa. Sorry. How is typhoid primarily transmitted?
Contaminated food and water.
Through the oral route, basically mouth.
Contaminated food and water.
List 3 examples of non-communicable diseases.
Yes.
Sir, diabetes, cancer, and diabetes, cancer, and heart disease, या फिर cardiovascular disease, asthma.
Cancer, diabetes and asthma.
List 3 examples of communicable diseases.
Okay.
Common cold, TB, and malaria. Besides pathogens, what are two other potential causes of disease mentioned?
Hmm.
Two potential, sir, lifestyle and environmental factors.
Poor nutrition and unhealthy lifestyle, bro.
So मैंने भी तो देखा.
In the case study of grade 8 student, what are the primary cause of physical health issues like headache?
और सर वो नव्या की क्लास का टाइम हो गया है. उनका
सात
मैसेज आया अभी.
अभी तो चलो 2 मिनट कर लो, अभी ये हो जाएगा.
अच्छा ठीक. In the case study of grade 8 student, what was the primary cause of the physical health issues like headache? Uh, phone.
Loneliness, excessive.
He had moved to the city and had no new friends. To cope with loneliness, he started to spend an excessive amount of time.
What are the 6 common methods of disease transmission?
According to figure 3.4, what are the 6 common methods of disease transmission? Yes, sir.
What are the 3
What are the
symptoms?
3 symptoms
Yes.
that indicate a person is unwell according to section 3.3? The 3 symptoms that indicate a person is unwell is unwell.
Pain, tiredness, and dizziness.
Dizziness, pain, tiredness.
What are the 3 signs being unwell that a doctor might
Person
measure?
नाम कॉल आ रहा है.
कर लो. High body temperature, fever, high blood pressure, and swelling. How does air pollution physically affect a person in a city environment? It causes respiratory problems like coughing and asthma.
What are the 4 good habits encouraged in activity 3.2? What are the 4 good habits? Healthy diet, personal hygiene, exercising regularly, and relaxing or meditating.
Yes.
What are the 4 bad habits listed in the text that negatively impact health? Eating junk food, excessive screen time, lack of sleep, and harmful
Skipping.
substances.
One more.
How does the text define the ability of a healthy person to function in society? Perform tasks efficiently, to cope with difficult situations and adjust well in society.
Great. Okay. Thanks. You get the good marks.